Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Did you know carrots can make a healthy and refreshing snack like finger jello? Let's go make it. Steam some carrot coins that are cut in 1/8 inch thick in the microwave with water for 2 minutes, or until they are soft when the fork can poke through the carrots easily. Mix a 1/4 cup of cold orange juice with 2 packs of gelatin until it becomes smooth paste, then set it aside. Blend another 1½ cups of orange juice with the carrots for 2 minutes until it becomes orange carrot juice. I must say, carrots and orange juice pair well together. You can actually drink it as a healthy, delicious beverage. But we are making finger jello today, so heat up the orange carrot juice in a small saucepan on medium-high heat until the juice becomes very warm but not boiled. See these bubbles? That means the juice is very warm, and you can turn the stove off now. Combine the gelatin mixture we made earlier with this warm orange carrot juice. It looks like a big glob right now, but don't worry, it's normal. Just add this gelatin into the warm juice. Stir the juice frequently until the gelatin glob dissolves. Then spoon the juice into a greased ice cube tray. You can definitely pour the juice into a glass dish and cut it into pieces later if you like. Refrigerate for 3 hours. This recipe makes 15 square finger jello with this ice cube tray. See how bouncy and jiggly it is? You can eat it with a fork or with your fingers. Here you have it, healthy, refreshing, anytime finger jello snack. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.